Now, good morning and then to all. We are going to perform experiment number 3. The aim of our experiment is to compare the EMF of two given primary cell using potentiometer. Okay. For observation of this practical, we require a meter, range of a meter, list count of a meter scale, terminal potential difference of cell, terminal potential of cell E1, terminal potential of cell E2. The material required for this experiment is battery, milliammeter, rheostat, resistance box, a galvanometer, a cell stand, and a rheostat. Now let's start our experiment. Put cell E1. Now check the EMF of cell E1. We get EMF of this cell is 0.7 volt. Now check EMF of second cell. EMF of this cell is 0.13. Content terminal difference from the battery 4 volt. Now put cell first in our cell holder. Now find the balance point with the help of our jockey and insert 1500 from high resistance box. Now we get the balance point. Now note the balance point. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 500 and 45. Now take off cell first and insert cell second in cell holder. Now again take the balance point. Now we get the balance point at here. Now note down it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 896. Observation 545 in cell 2 we get 892. Now put cell E1 in our cell holder and get the balance point. We getting balance point on that. Note down it. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 500, 12. Put off cell E1 and insert cell E2 and note down the reading. again we get 817. Now we are getting the reading number third in the same way. In third case even, and we get reading, but that reading the our observed value and compare the EMF of the cell. Now our experiment is completed.